The purpose of this HTML page is like the home page, which tells about the student's profile and course portal. In this website, it's like the overview of my website. Doctype HTML. It tells the browser that we are using HTML file. HTML tag. HTML tag is the root element of the website. Lang English. It tells the browser that we are using English language. After that, head. Head include all the metadata. It means the data of itself. Meta charset UTF-8. It allows all the characters of any language like a coding. Meta name viewport. This line tells the browser that it make our website responsible in any devices like phone, tablets, and computers and laptops. I have closed head tag. After that, I have used body tag. Body tag is that tag which is visible in our website. Inside it, I have used header. Inside header, I have used h1 tag for my student profile and course portal. It tells that the main content of our website. IMG is for image and SRC stands for source, and it helps to define the link where the we can find our image. After that, I have used nav. Nav stands for navigation bar, and it's used to display the links, and it join the other like profile contact with each other. P. I have used P for paragraph for writing my website includes, U for underlining it, and B for bold. I have used unordered list tag, and inside it I have used listed items. A for A tag I have used for links and href to define their destination. Same here, and I have closed unordered list. After that, I have closed navigation bar and header. Main. Main tag means that the main content of our web page. I have written the main content of my web page in H2. H2 about this website underlined. After that, I have used paragraph for hello and br tag for space between the next line. I have used After that, I have used ol tag unordered list, and inside it listed items. I have used b for bold my listed items, and I have closed ol tag and main tag. In the footer of the website, I have used copyright 2025 my website. Copyright is the right that no one can copy your website. And I after that, I have closed my body tag and HTML tag. That's all about my home page.